Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, as you can see, I'm back with another amazing recipe. In today's video, I will share with you how you can easily put this recipe together in little time. So my friend, in today's video, we'll be making oven jerk pork. That's right, oven jerk pork. So my friend, this happens to be one of Caribbean most delicious recipe, oven jerk pork, easily done. So my friend, before we begin putting this recipe together, please take a moment to subscribe and also hit that notification bell. For this recipe, I'll be using 5 pounds of fresh pork. For this recipe, you certainly can use any amount or cut to your needs. To marinate, I'll begin with some fresh chopped garlic and also chopped ginger. So my friend, for this recipe, I'll be using a full range of different herbs and spices. Next, for added taste, I will go with a bit of fresh Caribbean blend green seasoning. Basically a mixture of thyme, pepper, garlic, anything that you enjoy using. You certainly can blend it up and you get that lovely seasoning. Next, I will go right ahead with a bit of Jamaican jerk seasoning. So my friend, on this channel I bring you guys some of Caribbean most delicious recipe that you can easily put together. So if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please take a moment to subscribe and welcome. Next, I will go right ahead with a bit of allspices. Do keep in mind, for this recipe I will leave a full list of ingredients and measurement below so you can always check it out. Next, you certainly can go ahead with your hand or a gloves, which preferable. Do keep in mind, for this recipe we'll be using a ton of spices, so be mindful. So my friend, out of all of my videos, this has to be one of the most well put together and seasoned meat in out of all of my videos. As always, I will leave a full list below so you can always check it out. My friend, you certainly can use a gloves or the old-fashioned way. I prefer to use my hand. So my friend, this looks amazing. Next, I will set it aside for 2 hours. Do keep in mind, for additive taste and well seasoned, you definitely can set this overnight before baking. So guys, for easy cooking at 350 degrees. So here we are after 30 minutes. I will just go ahead and just give them a quick flip and place them back a few times. So my friend, for some of our latest content, be sure to follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook, and be sure to like. So guys, this is coming along pretty well. I'll place it back in the oven once more and then bring it back out and show you what it looks like. So guys, here we are, oven jerk pork. Cooking time 47 minutes. So my friend, I hope you enjoy my style of cooking. And also, please take a moment to subscribe